Top 5 Best Keyboard Trays. Number 5. Clamp-on Sliding Desk Keyboard Tray. The clamp-on sliding desk keyboard tray is a practical choice for users who need a keyboard tray that can be easily adjusted and moved as needed. Its sliding design allows for flexibility in positioning and storage. Key features include sliding mechanism. This tray features a unique sliding design, which allows you to easily push it in and out as needed. This is particularly useful if you want to free up desk space when not using your keyboard and mouse. Quick installation. It can be clamped onto your desk with minimal effort and no need for additional tools, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Height and tilt adjustment. The tray can be adjusted for both height and tilt, providing ergonomic benefits and customization options for your workspace. Compact design. When not in use, the sliding tray can be pushed under the desk, saving space and reducing clutter on the work surface. Sturdy construction. The clamp-on sliding desk keyboard tray is built to last and provides a stable platform for your keyboard and mouse. Coming in number 4. VIVO Adjustable Computer Keyboard and Mouse Platform Tray. The VIVO Adjustable Computer Keyboard and Mouse Platform Tray is a versatile and budget-friendly choice for those looking to optimize their workspace for productivity and comfort. It's a popular option among users seeking a simple and effective solution. Key features include adjustable design. This keyboard tray provides a wide range of adjustment options, allowing you to find the perfect height and tilt angle for your keyboard and mouse, reducing the risk of discomfort and strain. Spacious surface. The tray offers ample space for both your keyboard and mouse, making it suitable for a wide range of input devices. Easy installation. Setting up the VIVO keyboard tray is straightforward, with a simple clamp-on mechanism that secures it to your desk without the need for tools or drilling. Compact and space-saving. Its compact design ensures that it doesn't take up too much space on your desk, allowing you to maintain a clutter-free workspace. Affordable. The VIVO tray provides excellent value for its cost, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to enhance their workspace ergonomics. Coming in number 3. Cartmay Adjustable Keyboard Tray. The Cartmay Adjustable Keyboard Tray is a versatile and affordable option for those looking to optimize their workspace ergonomics. This tray is easy to install and provides flexibility for various desk setups. Key features include adjustable height and tilt. The Cartmay keyboard tray offers easy height and tilt adjustment, enabling you to customize the position of your keyboard and mouse for maximum comfort. Quick installation. This tray can be installed quickly without the need for additional tools, making it a practical choice for those who want to avoid complicated setup processes. Large work surface. The Cartmay tray provides a spacious platform for your keyboard and mouse, ensuring you have enough room for both devices and extra space for other accessories. Ergonomic wrist rest. It includes a comfortable wrist rest that helps reduce strain during long typing sessions, promoting a more comfortable working experience. Durable construction. The Cartmay keyboard tray is made of high-quality materials, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of everyday use. Coming in number 2. Fellows Professional Executive Keyboard Tray. The Fellows Professional Executive Keyboard Tray is a premium choice for professionals who demand both style and functionality in their workspace. With its sleek design and ergonomic features, it's a standout option for executive offices and modern workspaces. Key features include customizable tilt and height. This keyboard tray offers extensive customization, allowing you to find the most comfortable angle and height for your keyboard and mouse. You can easily adjust it to your liking to maintain proper ergonomic posture. Mouse platform. The Fellows tray includes a separate mouse platform that can be mounted on either the left or right side, providing flexibility for both left-handed and right-handed users. Integrated cord management. Keep your workspace tidy with the integrated cord management system, which helps organize and conceal cables, reducing clutter and improving the overall aesthetics of your workspace. Sturdy build. The Fellows Professional Executive Keyboard Tray is designed to withstand regular use and offers a durable platform for your keyboard and mouse. Sleek aesthetics. Its modern and stylish design complements contemporary office spaces, adding a touch of sophistication to your desk area. Coming in number 1. 3M Keyboard Tray. The 3M keyboard tray is renowned for its ergonomic design and adjustable features, making it a popular choice among professionals seeking comfort and efficiency in their workspace. This tray easily secures to your desk or workspace, providing a stable platform for your keyboard and mouse. Key features include easy installation. The 3M keyboard tray is designed for simple installation, with a sturdy mounting system that clamps securely to the edge of your desk. No drilling or special tools are required, making it a convenient choice for those who want to avoid damaging their desk. Height and tilt adjustment. This keyboard tray offers extensive adjustability, allowing you to find the perfect height and tilt for your typing and mousing needs. This adaptability is essential for maintaining proper ergonomic posture, reducing strain on your wrists and shoulders. Gel wrist rest. The built-in gel wrist rest provides added comfort during extended typing sessions. It helps reduce wrist strain, promoting a more comfortable and productive work environment. Sturdy construction. The 3M keyboard tray is built to last, with a robust design that can support most standard keyboard and mouse combinations. It is durable and can withstand daily use. Space-saving design. The tray's compact design allows you to maximize your workspace, as it provides ample room for your keyboard and mouse while freeing up valuable desk space for other tasks.